Hi, in this video we will solve one problem which is on Strata Scratch. Find the top 10 users that have traveled the greatest distance, output their ID, name and the total distance traveled. First table is lift rights log and the second one is lift users. So we have to fetch their ID, name and the total distance. ID we will get from here, name we will get from here and the distance we will get from here. Okay, let's start.
अभी से चल देख आराम से देख
Now as an approach, ID we will use user ID. So we have to fetch user ID because questions asked fetch the user ID and name. So I will write here user ID. Name I will fetch from here, from table B, and we have to fetch the total distance. So distance I will get from here, and for total I will do sum. I will write as a total distance from this table. Now we have two tables, so I will use join. In a join I will write join here. Now after join I will use this table as u. So as you can see, user ID I fetch from this table, so I will write here r dot, and name I just fetch from this table, so I will write here u. Now I'm joining on which basis? On basis of user ID and ID. So user ID I will write here user ID equal to ID, but user ID is from R table and ID is from U table. We will fetch only those kind of values. Now because of using aggregated function I have to use group by of this order by. Now I have to show greatest distance on the top, so I will use order by on this thing. So I will use order by on total distance, and I will use this descending. So order by, I will copy it because I gave it alias DSC means descending. So as question asked top 10, so I will only use top 10 by using limit function, by using limit. So I will run this.
One eternity later.
Okay, sorry, I forget to use comma here. Now top 10 distance traveled by this user ID, this is the name, and the total distance is this. As you can see, maximum distance is this, then after this, then after 277, then after 275, and so goes on till to top 10. So you will get the code and everything on the description box, and thank you so much for watching.
मेरा जी करदा जी करदा कपताना हाथ जल से नचने तो मेरा जी करदा